Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we'll take a look how TPC Desktop 2018 handles invisible surface faces brought in from LandXML or Civil 3D. So I'm going to import a LandXML file here. All that's in this file is a surface. So I can tell Traverse PC I just want to import the whole file. Traverse PC has brought that in. And if we take a look over here at our Surfaces Manager, here's the surface that we brought in. We brought in both of them. I just want the EG surface for now. And this is what it looks like in Traverse PC. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell Traverse PC that I want to open up this surface and draw the triangles as well, or the faces that we imported from LandXML. And I can see that Traverse PC has imported these faces in an area here I normally would exclude with a border, because I don't want to see contours or surface over here, and the same for this. Well, it turns out that LandXML actually tells Traverse PC these are invisible faces. And in 2018, we're going to be able to handle those properly. So let's close out this one and take a look at 2018 instead. So I'm going to bring over 2018 where we've imported this same surface, and look what happens. Traverse PC has automatically excluded these invisible faces over here and over here. So again, let's drop into the surface dialog like we normally would do. And look what happens in the tin dialog now. I can show these invisible triangles, and I'm going to apply that. And Traverse PC has contoured into those triangles, or I can not show those. And now they're excluded. If I put the tin on, it'll probably show up a little bit more explicit for you that I'm only getting contours in these areas because that's where the tin is being computed. So these other triangles are out here in this area and over here, but because they were invisible in LandXML, they're invisible in Traverse PC. Now the great thing about having these triangles be invisible is that, of course, the contours are not extended into them. But let's go ahead and do a slope analysis as well. And I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to include these slopes in here, and I'm going to compute this and then apply that. I think maybe I have to come over here and actually redraw that. Okay, so Traverse PC has shaded in all these slopes for me, and it's kind of fun now to go back into the tin dialog, and we could say, hey, what happens if I come back and tell Traverse PC I want to show those? Okay, so let's apply that, and of course now I would see those invisible triangles included in the slope analysis unless I had constructed a border in here to exclude them. And if I compute this, I want you to notice that here's the area that I get, this 249,000 basically. I'm going to add that to the summary here, so we've got that number down here. Now let's go back into that tin and tell it, don't show those invisible triangles, which is how the LandXML would be imported by default. And now let's go back to our slope analysis and compute that. And now we see I've got 182,000 square feet in this 0 to 15% slope. So that those invisible triangles or excluded triangles are accounted for in slope, volume, in contours, all the way through the surfaces inside of Traverse PC. Again, TPC Desktop 2018 will handle those invisible faces that we get from LandXML or Civil 3D drawings.